In this tutorial, we will see some quick accessing tools for HR and administrator to access the information from HR Blue Sky. We will also see how you can generate reports in HR Blue Sky for employee and other related information. Log into the application as an administrator or HR admin. On login, you will see a screen which is the dashboard. This dashboard explains you at the moment how many active users are there of the system, how many employees are active, documents those are yet to expire, service request. You can click on those numbers to navigate to those screen and view further details. The recent employees tab shows you the complete new list of employees that has been added recently into the system. And if you want to add an employee, you can directly click on add new button and add an employee rather than navigating to the employee module and clicking on add new employee. This is a shortcut. You can also see as an administrator all employees leave request that has been waiting for your approval. All pending request, that is new request, completed and rejected for this particular month and so on, will be shown here. For the reporting part and advanced search part, you can go to the advanced search module, and this option will allow you to access data based upon your filters and also download reports based on your filters. For example, I want to see how many documents are going to expire within the current month or the next month. So I will select here employees documents. I will say document type equal to passport. I will add one more condition and I will now say document expiry date should be greater than or equal to 1st of August, and I will then say document type expiry date lesser than or equal to 8th of August. You can also take any future dates. I am just selecting 8th of August, 8 days. So I'll say find. Once I click on the find, it will give me a list of documents that are going to expire within the selected dates. And if you want to export it to Excel, you can click on this export icon, which will help you download this data into Excel. Once downloaded, you can open the file to view the information. So this file you can share internally if required. Let's say I also want to see how many employees have been joining this company in this particular month. So I will click on employee list. Here I will select date of joining greater than or equal to, let's say 1st of July, and I'll add one more condition, date of joining less than or equal to 31st of July or 8th of August. Click on find and this will give you the list of employees that has been joined in this particular dates, within this particular dates. You can again click on export option to basically export this data into Excel. The other tips, if you will see, if you want to navigate through different screens being on the same screen, you can just right click on the options and click on open in new tab. So this will help you to simultaneously access two screens. I'm just selecting the second tab now, and you see we can access multiple screens from the same browser. You don't have to close the screen to navigate to a different screen. Under that, I will show you the other information as well. For example, I want to edit this employee's profile, but I don't want to exit out of the dashboard. I can just right click over this and say open link in new tab. So the screen opens in another tab, whereas I can access both the tabs simultaneously. Further information, in all the screens you will see a tab called information tab, which will give you the importance of this screen and what information you can store on this screen. On few important screens where you need a log, there you will also see a tab called history tab, which will tell you what are the recent updates done and by whom, who is the user. There is also a notes tab where you can add additional notes. For example, in case this employee is having a kind of non-paid benefits such as insurance, you can add it here because it is not paid to the employee in terms of salary every month. And also if this employee is entitled for family air tickets, that also can be added here, or any other allowances. So all such information can be added here, and if you mark as public, all the users who are having admin access can see this information. If you don't mark this as public, only the user of system administrator and the HR super admin can see this information. You have to just enter the text here and click on add. So the text gets added as a note for this particular employee. So like this, you can access a lot of information on a quick basis without wasting your time and navigating to multiple screens.